Hey there. Today we're making Crock Pot Chicken Fajitas. They're quick to throw together, packed with flavor, and perfect for busy days. So let's get started. In a small bowl, we're going to add our garlic, jalapenos, chili powder, cumin, salt, oil, and lemon juice, and give it a good stir and set aside. In your crock pot, I'm using my nice old vintage one my mother-in-law gave me. You're going to add your chicken, which is sliced 1/2 inch on the diagonal, and you're going to spread it evenly at the bottom of your crock pot. And then you're going to add a layer of your sliced onions, white onions. And then you're going to add a layer of bell peppers, followed by the mixture poured right on top. And that's it. Now we're going to cover the crock pot with the lid, cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours or until the meat is tender, and then you're ready to build your fajitas. Now you can take your flour corn tortillas and build and add whatever toppings you want. I'm adding my favorite avocado, a little bit of pico de gallo salsa that I had made, some sour cream, and sprinkle it with cheese. However you want it. I hope you enjoy it. And by the way, you can make this recipe with steak if that's what you prefer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.